Hi everyone, Fiat 500, replacing the bulbs underneath the heater controls panel. Turn all the knobs fully to the left so we know where they are when they come off, and then you pry on the sides, just like so. Use both hands. It was a little bit abrupt. The whole thing will just hang on the wire because there's a wire for the heated windscreen. Basically what you do, those little bulbs, just pull them out. Okay, all we've got is these tiny bulbs. This one's obviously burnt. What I'm doing, just to make things a bit easier, pliers, an old glove. Just go over the light bulb just gently and they come out. You just pull them. They're supposed to come out with no problem at all, but they didn't. I couldn't get them out, so I just resorted to that. To install them back in place, don't touch them for a start. You know, you're not supposed to touch these bulbs, because if you touch them, there's grease from your fingers basically will eventually destroy it. So try not to touch it, use either paper. Funny enough, I've run out of gloves, so I had to use paper towel, but it doesn't matter what you use, as long as you don't touch it with your hands. One, and the other. Right, both of them are in. Now we just install back. By the way, when it comes to those metal clips, there's one big there, one at the top. There's one this side and one on each side, one at the bottom. So to install it, you just have to line it up and push it back in. No drama. And that should be it. Just make sure all of them are all the way to the left. So you've got them lined up properly as they should be. Let me just... Okay, click it in place. Let's try the key. Right, let's switch the lights on, and you've got the lights back on it. Great. Okay, just be careful with those metal clips because they're not the best, and that's it. Make sure your fans are working, everything else is working as well. But yeah, that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you on the next one.